Good evening, folks. Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to just show you a video of 6 essential features that you need to know and that you'll love on your Mac. Okay, maybe you're new to Mac, latest as of today, and it's pretty awesome. So I'm going to show you these 6 things. This is not a deep dive. I'm not going to show you how to do each thing. Just be aware it does this and go play around with it. In the future, I'll make a deep dive into each feature and show you in depth how to use them. So number one, screens being slow. Come on. All right, you can organize your desktop. So if you've got a cluttered desktop like this, you can use stacks. That'll put all your pictures, files, different things into stacks, and then your desktop doesn't end up like mine was up until 2 days ago when I started making some videos and I didn't want it to look so clunky. Again, I'll do a deep dive into this in the future. Number 2, you can browse privately. You can keep Safari from the Safari browsing history private. It's kind of like incognito mode on Google Chrome. You go to File and Browse Private. Browse privately. That came out wrong. Number 3, you can take a screenshot. I actually made a video of this yesterday, or maybe it was today. But I made a video showing you guys how to take a screenshot. But it's pretty cool. Play around with that. You can take a screenshot right on your Mac. No special software needed. Next. All right, you can take a quick look at a video. I actually made a video about this one. I already showed you how to do this. You can take a quick look at a file anywhere on your Mac, the desktop, the Finder, wherever, just by hitting the space bar. Open and close it by hitting the space bar. And last, you can collaborate with others. I haven't used this app very much, but they have a relatively new app called Freeform Board. It's where you can create designs and different things like that, org charts, mind mapping, vision boards, all kinds of stuff. And you can collaborate with other people by clicking the share button. Then you choose how you want to share it, and that way you can collaborate with other people using Freeform Board. All right, hope that was helpful. Again, I've already made 2 deep dive videos into this. You can go check those out on the Teach Mom How channel. I'll do some others that'll dive into each of these features in more depth in the future. Have a great night.